In this first startling turn of events Ring doorbell footage, under the cover of night, our vigilant Ring doorbell captured a startling moment of intrusion. Watch as a mysterious figure attempts unauthorized access to a property, brazenly removing the window net. But as tension mounts, our security system springs into action, unleashing a piercing alarm that sends the intruder fleeing into the darkness. In this eye-opening Ring doorbell footage, behold as the diligent delivery person arrives, standing as a guardian of parcels, ready to deliver to their rightful owner. Yet, in a cruel twist of fate, watch closely as the porch pirate lurks in the shadows, waiting for the opportune moment. With swift precision, the package changes hands, snatched away in a blink of an eye as the delivery person departs. In this spine-chilling Ring doorbell footage, watch closely as a shadowy figure slithers onto the porch, moving with calculated intent to pilfer a package left unguarded. But just as the thief believes victory is assured, fate intervenes. Behold as the homeowner, alerted by our vigilant security system, steps in to thwart the brazen theft, commanding the intruder to drop the package. With lightning reflexes, the trespasser vanishes into the darkness, leaving behind a tense standoff and a testament to the power of vigilance in our neighborhoods.
Excuse me, that's mine! Rob, somebody just stole something off my porch, I think.
In this unforgettable Ring doorbell footage, watch as a lone figure approaches a front door, his purpose seemingly innocent. With a series of resolute knocks, he patiently awaits a response, but the silence of the empty house prevails. Witness the fleeting pause of anticipation as he lingers, perhaps pondering the mystery of the unopened door. Ultimately, with a shrug and a sense of understanding, he departs, leaving behind a momentary glimpse. In this swift and stealthy Ring doorbell footage, behold as two shadowy figures emerge from the darkness, their intentions clear as they lay eyes on the unsuspecting bike parked outside a porch. With calculated precision, they seize the opportunity, snatching the bike before vanishing into the night without a trace. Witness the chilling efficiency of their operation as they melt back into the shadows, leaving behind only a haunting reminder of the constant vigilance required to safeguard our possessions. In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, behold as a shirtless figure emerges, his unsettling presence casting a shadow over the tranquility of the neighborhood. Watch with a shiver down your spine as he approaches someone's door uninvited, his intentions veiled in mystery. With each step, the tension mounts, leaving us to ponder the unsettling nature of his visit.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, behold as a shirtless figure emerges, his unsettling presence casting a shadow over the tranquility of the neighborhood. Watch with a shiver down your spine as he approaches someone's door uninvited, his intentions veiled in mystery. With each step, the tension mounts, leaving us to ponder the unsettling nature of his visit.
How's it going?
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, behold as a mysterious figure, shrouded in darkness, brazenly enters the premises with ill intent. Watch with bated breath as he stealthily ascends the stairs, his presence a menacing shadow against the backdrop of the building. With a sense of urgency, he searches for valuables, his hands grasping for anything of worth. Witness the harrowing moment as he seizes a package, a trophy of his illicit mission, before swiftly vanishing into the night. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a brazen porch pirate, masquerading as an innocent passerby, crosses the threshold into someone's porch. Watch closely as she prowls, her eyes scanning for valuables, her intentions unmistakably nefarious. With audacious determination, she even dares to test the doorknob, contemplating a deeper breach of security. In this poignant Ring doorbell footage, a moment of panic amidst the tranquility of a suburban neighborhood. Behold as a homeowner, serene in her wait for her husband's return, is abruptly besieged by the wrath of an unexpected storm. Watch as the skies darken and winds howl, casting an ominous shadow over the once peaceful scene. With fear etched upon her face, she flees to the safety of her home, seeking refuge from the tempest's fury. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, behold as a would-be porch pirate, driven by greed and deception, attempts to snatch away parcels left unguarded. However, fate has other plans as he stumbles, his clumsy misstep betraying his intentions. Undeterred by his fall, he presses on, seizing the stolen goods before hastily retreating from the scene. In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, behold as a mysterious hooded figure glides with deceptive ease toward someone's porch, his silhouette a haunting presence against the night sky. Watch closely as he brazenly plucks a plant meant for decoration, his movements smooth and calculated. Witness the audacity of this nocturnal pilferer as he snatches the greenery, leaving behind only a void where once stood a cherished adornment. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, behold as a strange, creeping figure emerges from the shadows, his intentions veiled in mystery as he approaches someone's front door. With tentative knocks, he seeks entry into the sanctity of the home, his silent plea unanswered by the vigilant homeowner. In this brazen act of theft Ring doorbell footage, a masked figure, shrouded in anonymity, descends upon someone's apartment doorstep with nefarious intent. Watch closely as he shamelessly pilfers from the unsuspecting resident, his face obscured by the veil of his disguise. Witness the audacity of this clandestine thief as he preys upon the belongings left unguarded. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, behold as a mysterious woman approaches someone's door, her intentions veiled beneath a facade of innocence. Watch closely as she reaches out to obscure the camera lens with her hand, a calculated move to conceal her identity and intentions. With the lens clouded, she proceeds with her clandestine mission, her true purpose obscured from view.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, behold as a shadowy figure approaches someone's porch with stealthy intent. Watch closely as he swiftly seizes the package left innocently on the doorstep, his actions betraying a callous disregard for the rightful owner. With the stolen goods in hand, he casually walks away. In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, behold as they approach someone's front door under the cloak of night, their laughter and excitement echoing in the darkness. Watch closely as they discover the sweet bounty left outside, a treasure trove of candies awaiting eager hands. With gleeful delight, they pack away the treats, each one a small token of neighborly generosity. Witness the enchanting moment as the night sky twinkles overhead, illuminating the joy of shared moments and cherished memories.
Hey, do that, you hear me? Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure y'all shit straight. I was just gonna tell you had that on your boys, huh? What you doing with that? Alright, I'm gone. Hello, bitch. Nothing, that's on y'all porch.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, behold as they approach someone's front door under the cloak of night, their laughter and excitement echoing in the darkness. Watch closely as they discover the sweet bounty left outside, a treasure trove of candies awaiting eager hands. With gleeful delight, they pack away the treats, each one a small token of neighborly generosity. Witness the enchanting moment as the night sky twinkles overhead, illuminating the joy of shared moments and cherished memories.
Okay, I got him. Alright, come on, guys, hold on. What you got playing? Come on. Come on, we got a bunch of houses right here.
In this empowering Ring doorbell footage, behold as the thief, poised to steal a prized possession parked outside the house, is suddenly confronted by the homeowner. Watch closely as the thief's cunning plan unravels before our eyes, his skillful intentions dashed by the homeowner's timely intervention. With nowhere to hide and no chance of escape, the porch pirate is caught red-handed, his deception laid bare for all to see. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, behold as one woman, seated inside a vehicle, serves as a lookout while her accomplice brazenly pilfers from the property. Watch closely as the scene unfolds, with one woman acting as the eyes and ears, scanning the surroundings for any signs of interference, while the other carries out the theft with calculated precision. In this brazen act of trespass Ring doorbell footage, a man, without hesitation or invitation, brazenly strides into someone's home. Watch closely as he crosses the threshold with a sense of entitlement, his intentions obscured by the veil of his intrusion.
The door was unlocked because they were working in the yard.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.